We are one of a few universities in Britain who now specialise in food science and technology. Our expertise and the growth of the centre through things like the KITE programme have really had an impact on a global scale. The KITE programme gave the same sort of expertise that a major multinational would have, but based at our university for the use by small to medium-sized companies. So the impact was over £100 million in terms of impact on sales. There were significant numbers, hundreds of new products taken from concept stage through to the shelf, or in new product development programs that were the controls that the retailers needed really to show that companies were developing new products in a controlled and sensible manner. And so from products to turnover, the impact was far greater than we thought.
My role in this case study stemmed from undertaking an in-depth, independent evaluation of the KITE project for the Welsh Government. Cumulatively, findings illustrated efficient and effective project delivery, including development, implementation and progression of innovative approaches in Welsh food sector SMEs. The impact of the KITE project also supported Welsh Government strategy and policies. There was an increase in employment of females aged 18 to 24 years old and reversing the trend of food technology skills away from Wales. Over 700 jobs were created and safeguarded as part of the project, and that happened predominantly in European Union convergence areas. So that really helped tackle poverty and unemployment in those communities in the South Wales valleys and in West Wales.
One of the other areas that the KITE programmes had a global impact is that we worked in conjunction with academics, and something called food safety culture was born in this building. It's now recognised by all the major global accreditations for food, and it's a mechanism that directors of companies have to show to be able to prove to auditors that they're in control of the food safety within their companies. And so it's a really significant impact that we've had, blending research and then using that research in an applied manner. And we're very proud of that.